Hi, I'm Susan Price from Furniture Magicians, and I'm a proud sponsor of this video.
Yeah.
My name is James Cameron, and I love Rolls-Royces. And I want to welcome you to the Rolls-Royce and Bentley University Buyer's Guide. Let's start class. Hello, class. We're going to combine the two things that I love the most in life. We're going to combine American history, and we're here in front of the Revolutionary War Museum at Yorktown, and of course, Rolls-Royce and Bentley motor cars, because we're here to do a photo shoot. Well, class, we're in front of the Revolutionary War Museum at Yorktown, and we've just finished our photo shoot for the Jubilee for the Queen, celebrating the fact that she has been the longest living monarch in English history. And we're here with another James. Introduce yourself.
My name is James Meyers.
And you can see the resemblance.
Yes, he's taller than I am.
Yes. In any event, we've had a great time being here, and I want you to explain a little bit what this was all about and why you did it.
Well, we send out flyers to try to entice people that have British cars and European cars to come to our car show. Our car show is February 23rd.
February?
No. Yeah. April 23rd.
That's better.
At High Street in Williamsburg.
Mm-hmm. And class, let me tell you something. Virginia is an unbelievable place for history, not only at the beginning of this nation, which of course was the Revolutionary War, but one of the biggest separations of the country, which of course was the Civil War. And many of those battles, a lot of the main battles, happened right here in Virginia. So if you're traveling to Virginia and you want to, of course, as I said, do a tour, well, get in touch with me, as well as make sure that you visit the Revolutionary War Museum at Yorktown and also the Jamestown Settlement, which was the very beginning of colonial Virginia. Until next week, class, take care. See you next time. Thanks for watching, class. If you are coming to the Hampton Roads area and you'd like to take a historical tour in my '85 Rolls-Royce Silver Spur, go to our email address, drop a line, and I will respond to you. Until next time, class, drive safe.